5 easy ways to make tile floors shine without wax. Dear friends, keeping your tile floors shiny doesn't always require wax or expensive products. With the right techniques, you can restore their natural shine using simple household methods. Here are 5 easy ways to make tile floors shine without wax. 1. Regular sweeping and dry mopping. Dust and grit are the main reasons tile floors look dull. Sweep or dry mop daily to remove loose dirt before it scratches the surface and reduces shine. 2. Warm water and mild detergent. Mix warm water with a small amount of mild floor cleaner or dish soap. Mop the floor gently and rinse with clean water. This removes grease and buildup that block the tile's shine. 3. Vinegar solution for deep cleaning. A mixture of water and white vinegar works well for most ceramic and porcelain tiles. Vinegar cuts through residue and restores brightness. Avoid using it on natural stone tiles. 4. Baking soda for stubborn stains. For tough stains, make a paste using baking soda and water. Apply it to the stain, scrub softly with a cloth or soft brush, and wipe clean. This helps tiles look fresh and polished. 5. Proper drying and buffing. After mopping, dry the floor with a microfiber cloth. Light buffing removes watermarks and enhances the natural shine without any wax. Conclusion: with regular care and simple cleaning solutions, your tile floors can stay clean, bright, and shiny, naturally and safely, without the need for wax. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.